In this video, let's cover another way to get followers and to get a little bit of visibility, and that is to start networking with other people in your niche. So I'm going to click on Discover on the bottom, and in the Discover tab, we're going to discover, in my case, it's music, obviously, because it's a music thing. And I'm going to go into the hashtags, and I'm going to go into maybe like one of the hashtags that I used when I posted. So for example, like music life. And then I'm going to see what everybody else is doing. So let's say this first person, you can like their stuff, you can comment on their stuff, right? Like I would say something like, great playing, and it warmed my heart, or something like that. I'm not going to say that now because this is just an example, but your job is to write a really nice comment that they will see and they will like. And when they will see and they will like, they will click on you, like, who is this person? And they might actually follow you. And you can heart everybody else. They'll see, oh, somebody hearted my stuff, and maybe they'll see you, and maybe they'll click on you, and maybe they'll navigate to your profile. So commenting and liking stuff, that's really good, because that sends an alert to this person. Now, if this person has a lot of people who are following them, they're probably not responding to every alert. But if they're a relative beginner on TikTok, they'll see every alert, and especially every nice message will be special to them. So you can also add them to favorites. And like this person, he has like 42,000 followers. Probably, and you see he only follows 5 people. So there's no chance he's gonna follow me back. So for him, it wouldn't be a good investment of time. But that's okay. You go to
Hey,
this
do you
next
know
person
this song?
and you see what they're doing. Same process. You click on them. Okay, they don't have a lot of followers. They're like a more or less regular person. And so if you follow them and you start networking with them, okay, great. And then you can just keep going down. And it's always good to network with people who are in your industry, not only for the immediate promotion, but also for longer term benefits, because you can learn from each other, you can promote each other. And that's actually what you would do is, once you start promoting and sharing their stuff, they might share your stuff, they might comment on your stuff, you might comment on their stuff. So that's what you do. So here's a guy that's kind of like me, right? Guy with a guitar. And let's see what he's doing. He has under 1,000 followers, so that's cool. So this kind of person would be a good person for me to network with, because we have the same music. Now, because we have the same music, if I click on him,
all right, I can
and
do this.
Stop this, I can actually take a look at what hashtag he's using. And he's using, see, for me, there are some hashtags that I would use maybe. He has the hashtag singing. Okay, that's a cool one for me. I would write that down. And acoustic, I would write that down, because for me, those are good hashtags. That's what I do. That's way closer to my niche than other hashtags that I've been using so far, like general music ones, because those would be more specific. So going around, liking, commenting, and networking with people is a good way to build up your initial few followers and even supporters who have affinity towards you, precisely because you've been nice to them at first, and then they'll hopefully share your stuff, like your stuff, and those are the people who are going to be more likely to give all your future videos extra life. Now, of course, this takes a little bit of time. It's a relatively annoying process, but it is a thing that you can do on day one.